Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. LIS education started in the Pakistan universities. University of Karachi, Department LIS diploma course started 1956, MLIS 1962 at Karachi. Number 2, University of Punjab, Lahore, Department LIS certificate course started in 1915 and MLIS started in 1974. University Punjab. Islamia, University of Bahawalpur, Department LIS started 1983-85, MLIS also 1985. Number 4, Balochistan University, Quetta Department LIS diploma course started 1981, MLIS 1985. University of Sindh, Jamshoro Department LIS firstly started certificate course 1965, MLIS started 1974 at Jamshoro. Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad Department LIS certificate course started 1985 and MLIS started in 2001. University of Peshawar Department of LIS started 1962 and MLIS started 1962. University of Sargodha Department of LIS MLIS started in 2008 at Sargodha, Punjab. Sarhad University, Science and Technology, Peshawar Department of LIS DLIS started 2006. Mohi Islamic University, Nerian, Azad, Jammu Kashmir, Department of LIS started 2002. Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, Department of LIS MLIS started in 2004 at Multan, Punjab. Thank you very much for watching LIS School of Pakistan.